Hi guys, join me for some crafty fun. Today we are going to be making this really fun interactive rocking horse. So I will describe some of the pieces that I cut out first and things like that. And then I will put it in a process video. That way this video won't be like forever long. Anyway guys, this is the KSCraft Lover Store Memorydex card. And I just love that Nicole Papercrafts created this to be interactive. I decided not to use the base piece, which is for the mem-dex. I wanted to go ahead and make this a fun card. I think this would be awesome for a baby shower or for someone who just had a child or for even, early birthdays like 1, 2, 3, 4 years old, 5 years old. This would just be a super cute card. Anyway, don't forget to visit KSCraft Lover Store on AliExpress to collect this die, as well as their Amazon shop. And of course, I'm going to have all those links down below in the description box. So let's go ahead and get started on this tutorial. Okay, so first of all, I decided to do a 5x7 card, and I thought it'd be really fun to make the horse rock on the card. I'm not going to be using this base piece right here, which is the mem-dex piece. So we're going to see if we can make this work. So my card size is a 5x7, which is basically 10 by 7, okay, and then scored in the middle, right? Then we have our layering pieces, which two of these are 4 7/8 by 6 7/8, and then I have my top layering piece, which is 4 5/8 by 5 5/8. Yes. So I think so. Hold on. Did I do that right? Yes, because I want to have a pretty decent sized border, if that makes any sense, right? So I'm just going to go through some of these pieces real quick. I did decide to use some foam to pop up my horse. I did several layering pieces, and so what I do is when I do all those layering pieces, instead of wasting the pieces and throwing them away, I just kind of like put them together. Okay, so I went ahead and wanted the horse to be pretty heavy duty because you're going to be rocking it back and forth, and I was kind of deciding, do I want a darker tan horse or do I want a lighter tan horse? I decided to go with the darker tan horse. I also picked out some colors, an Adobe color for horses, and so I decided to use that as the main color. I also decided to pop up the saddle as well, so we have, like, I layered this twice, so whatever I cut out, I just kind of like put it together a lot more. One more thing I did want to add is I did cut out some clouds that were from, is this an Echo Park? No, Bo Bunny. Okay, which I don't think Bo Bunny is any longer in business. So, but anyway, I found these little cloud dies. I did have bigger cloud dies. I don't know what I did with them. And I'm like, oh my goodness, what did I do? I also cut out the reins in the brown color that I chose as well. So let's get started on doing the process video, okay? just love how this card turned out. I love how it's interactive. I also made it where it is gender neutral. So if anyone that I know has a boy or a girl, I can go ahead and send it to them. And I think it's just so stinking cute. And these type of interactive cards are always fun to give away. Again, I did pop it up with some foam tape on the top level right here, as well as foam paper for these pieces right here, and I think it just turned out super cute. Anyway, if you like this tutorial, please comment and hit like on there, and I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to check out my Facebook group. If you are a crafter, it doesn't have to specifically be paper crafts. You can post in my group. It is Salty Beach Scrappers. And also, please don't forget to visit KSCraft Lover Store on AliExpress, and you can find that die there, as well as their Amazon shop. I do believe this die is in there. If it is, I will put the link down below. If it is not, the link will not be there for the Amazon shop. But I hope you all love this card. And and don't forget to visit Nicole Papercrafts on Instagram. I know that she is the designer of this die, and she creates all sorts of really fun stuff. So definitely check her out. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will be seeing you all soon with another KSCraft project. Bye, guys.